Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to use vidIQ for free, vidIQ tutorial for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. If you're looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is perfect for you. So just click the link in the description box below to kickstart your journey in vidIQ for free. So right after you click onto that one, you should get redirected onto this page. And before we head onto the step-by-step guide, let's first talk onto what is vidIQ. So this is actually a powerful YouTube certified browser extension and suite of tools and designed to help content creators optimize their videos, boost visibility, and grow their YouTube channel. So it provides valuable insights and analytics to enhance your video strategy. So as you can see, here are some of the content creators that has trusted the leading vidIQ. And there are some of the subscribers, their views, and some of the reviews regarding onto using their platform. So you could accelerate your YouTube growth with the vidIQ AI coach. So you could unlock your 24/7 AI coaching companion by using this. Also, you could boost your YouTube views in here, discover keyword, title, and description recommendation designed to get you more views and subscriber for free. Now with artificial intelligence baked in, you could also see the AI co-pilot in here, wherein you could see some daily ideas that will give you personalized inspiration to boost your growth. So these will save you hours researching, see into the future, and break new ground. Now you could also supercharge your YouTube channel today just by going and signing up for free onto vidIQ. So you can join the millions of creators using vidIQ to grow their channel. And if you want to get started already, just click on to sign up for free to create an account. Now signing up onto vidIQ is easy, so you'll have an option to sign up using your Google account, type in your email and address or password, and then click on to sign up. So by clicking sign up with Google or sign up with email, you should agree with vidIQ's terms of service and privacy policy. And personally, I try to use a sign up with Google every time so that I don't have to remember my email and my password. I'll just go directly and click onto the account that I want to use. So let's just do that one right now, but this is as per your preference. Now, right after a quick sign up process, it will gonna go ahead and see this screen wherein it asks you to add your YouTube channel. So you could get the most out of vidIQ. In order to unlock the vidIQ features, you must add your YouTube channel. So you can see the customer recommendations powered by AI, performance comparison, analytics for your videos, and subscriber analysis. So you'll just need to click on to add your YouTube channel. And then right after adding your YouTube channel, it should gonna go ahead and prompt you this, and it will ask you to allow vidIQ to view monetary and non-monetary YouTube analytics report for YouTube content and manage your YouTube account. You'll just have to trust and make sure to click onto allow in here, since you may be sharing sensitive info with this site or app. So click onto allow in here to proceed. Now, so you can see there are actually two plans onto vidIQ. So you could unlock advanced growth tools with vidIQ and level up your YouTube game. So we actually have the basic, which helps you with basic video analytics, competitor analysis, YouTube education, and the boost, which is most advanced growth tool that helps in search engine optimization, AI video recommendation, trending topics, thumbnail optimization. So as you can see, the basic is just free. We're gonna use that one. But if you want to level up with boost, it is $39 per month and it could be billed annually. So you could discover more features of Boost if you click onto this one. But for now, onto this tutorial, we're just gonna be using the free account. So we'll click onto basic in here. Now, since we're just new in here, it here are the 5 steps to make sure you get the most out of vidIQ. So you need to confirm your email address just by clicking onto the email that they've sent to you. Subscribe to vidIQ for tips on getting more views on YouTube. Watch this video to get started with vidIQ. Install the vidIQ browser extension and stay in the loop by connecting with vidIQ on social media. So we have your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the Pinterest. So let's start to install first the vidIQ browser extension. So just have to click onto the link in here. Then right after, you'll get redirected onto Chrome Web Store. So here onto the Chrome Web Store, you should be able to see the Add to Chrome feature in here. You'll just have to click onto this button to successfully add this onto your device. So click onto Add Extension, and that should be it onto adding the extension onto your browser. Now going back in here, since you've gone ahead and get started already, The next step will also ask you to add your keywords. So keywords helps to tell you what your channel and videos are all about so that they could provide the most relevant insights to you. So you could add in some keywords in here. So these are some of the suggested keywords since I don't actually have some things onto my account. But if you do already, there might be some suggested keywords in here, such as YouTube short video. You'll just have to click onto the plus button to add it in there. And then right after, you're gonna go ahead and click on to save. Now, right after, you should be greeted with the dashboard or the main page of VidIQ. So this is what you should see. So the Get Started button, since we're just new, we also see the daily ideas in here. We're going to go ahead and try to see some daily ideas for your YouTube channel. So these are customized ideas in English only and are updated daily based on your customization. So, personalized ideas are updated daily based on your channel as well. And you may need to help the AI by uploading a video first for that one. So, as you can see, here are, since we've chosen short video earlier, there are might be some other topics that could help. So, there are also prediction in here. And also, if you want more, you could just simply upgrade to boost and some personalized idea as well. Now, going back here onto the main page, since we've gone ahead and seen the daily ideas already, we also have here the monetization tracker. So this is where you could go ahead and track your subscribers and the watch time of your subscriber onto your account. We could also see in here the AI title recommendation. So you can add some keywords in here that you want to base your titles on. So right after, you'll just need to click onto get title ideas and then AI will generate it for you. And as you can see, there are 3 credits remaining for this one since it will just refresh since we're just currently using the free account, and the new credits will be refreshed into 17 or in 17 days. Now we could also see the subscribers overview. So this is actually from the pro feature of VidIQ. You need to upgrade for this one so that you should be able to see your subscribers here. So you could discover channels your audience are also watching and add them as your competitors so that VidIQ would be able to also update your channel information in here. So if you have subscribed to this, and you should be able to see what your audience are taking a look at or what channels are they viewing. So if you've added a competitor, it should show in here. So you could see also the performance of your competitors in here. So you could keep track of which competitors have grown their views the most in the given time period, and you could compare it to the growth of your own channel. Now you could just go ahead and view more stats in here, and you could change the time period in here for the last 7 days, 30 days, and all time. So clicking in here, you should be able to see also the customer support, or when if you need some help, you'll just need to click onto this one so that you should be able to open the AI assistant for vidIQ. Now going here onto the upper part, you should be able to see also the daily ideas, the AI generators, the keywords, some of your competitors, the AI coach, which you could also see just here onto the main page. Also, if you need to upgrade, you'll just need to click onto this one. And if it still doesn't have downloaded the extension, which we did earlier, you'll just have to click onto this so that it could provide you some insights and help you optimize your videos when you install the vidIQ extension. You could also see your account settings in here, wherein you could go ahead and add some additional channels. So you need to upgrade to boost for that so that you could add up to 3 channels. So extras, you could refer a friend, you could see your vidIQ rewards, vidIQ Academy, affiliate center, your settings, account settings, you could change the theme and the logout button. Also the 3 horizontal lines in here wherein you should be able to see your dashboard of your YouTube channel, your subscriber, SEO, max, and the vidIQ Academy. And that's just basically it on to vidIQ tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and up to until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.